Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of moving? We get it, it's a lot. But what if I told you there's an easier, smarter way to move without lifting a finger? Stick around, and we'll show you how Harry the Movers can turn your stress into smooth sailing. At Harry the Movers, we make moving easy, efficient, and stress-free. Here's what you can expect when you hire the top removalists in Australia. First up, transit insurance. Don't sweat the what ifs. We've got you covered. With our transit insurance, your valuables are protected every step of the way. Peace of mind? Check. Our team takes a methodical approach to every move. From selecting the perfect vehicle to mapping out the best route, we've got a plan for everything. If something unexpected pops up? No worries, we're pros at problem solving. Looking for a complete solution? We handle it all: packing, moving, unpacking, and even commercial storage if you need it. Why juggle a dozen tasks when we can take care of everything? Our competitive pricing makes professional moving services affordable for everyone. Whether it's a local, interstate, or office move, you'll get top-notch service without breaking the bank. Most importantly, customer satisfaction is our priority. With Harry the Movers, you'll enjoy a smooth, hassle-free experience that leaves you with a big smile, and more time for what matters. Ready to make your move? Don't waste time, money, or energy doing it alone. Call us now at 1-800-318-026 or visit our website to get your free personalized quote. Your stress-free move starts here, let's make it happen. Harry the Movers, when it comes to moving, we've got your back.